Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. I'm Mohammed and today I'm going to teach you how to export Facebook comments from any public page. And what I'm going to teach you today would also work for Instagram comments, exporting Twitter followers, exporting Twitter following, exporting Twitter tweets, exporting YouTube comments, exporting TikTok comments, and exporting Vimeo comments. So a whole lot of stuff you could do with this one tool. The tool we're going to be exploring today is called exportcomments.com. It's a freemium tool, so you'd be limited to 100 comments per export per day. However, if you want to remove that limit, you have some pricing and packages options you can go to. So this tool is extremely simple and easy to use. All you have to do is go to whatever post or link to post you want to grab the comments for. So for example, I'm here at Grant Cardone page, and to grab a link for a post on Facebook, on Twitter, on anything, you would go to the timestamp and right click that and copy link address, and then you would go here and paste. Now if you want the nested comment, that these are the replies to the comments, you would check this box as well and you would start the export process. It takes a few seconds and there we go, it's done. So I download my Excel file, and if I open that, here you go. You'll have all the comments on this post here, and you can actually click here and go to any of the comments. So this is a direct link to the comment. So for example, this comment here, hello 10x, I'm going to click on, and you see it scrolled right down to that comment. So let's take another scenario here. Let's say you want to scrap another post, and let's say it has another 100 or so comments as well, and you're not ready yet to go to buy a full package like for the 5,000 comments or 50,000 comments. So what do you do in that case? So what you simply could do is, if you have a VPN, so you could find like hundreds of VPNs online. Here I'm using ExpressVPN, and I'll connect to my VPN, and after it connects, I'll open the website again from incognito. So I would open export this website here, copy, Control-Shift-N and paste. But if my post has more than 100 comments in that single post, I'll only see 100 of those. But if I have multiple posts and each are less than 100 comments, then this would do me perfect. So again, we changed the IP address with the VPN and we open from incognito window. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want to learn about more tools that you may or may not know about that would increase your productivity and efficiency, please subscribe to this channel and leave this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.